Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 11. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Chairman, Sir, while I participate in the discussion on the bill presented in the House by the Honourable Member, I am reminded of the British days when famine struck Bengal and lakhs of people died. Stop. At that time, our country was not producing enough food grains nor proper means for transportation of food grains were available. Stop. Today, our country has moved far ahead in this field and we have become a surplus food grains producing country. Stop. Not only that, we have even enriched our resources in the meantime. Stop. Ever since our country got freedom, not even a single person has died of starvation, and this is an appreciable progress for which we feel proud. Stop. The object of the present bill is to make all the essential articles easily available to the people, even in the small villages, so that they are relieved of their difficulties. Stop. I believe that the proposals made in regard to the measures to be taken to check price rise through fair price shops as part of poverty alleviation programs are also appreciable. Stop. More fair price shops have been opened. Stop.